have a lot in us to give out. Human being is the representation of God on earth. And so far that you are still living, you have resources within you. And people are looking for opportunities up and down. It's good to look for opportunities. It's good to dash, to dive, to do whatever thing we want to do when it comes to navigating to ensure we have opportunities. But I want to say that there are a lot of opportunities residing in us, embedded in us. So instead of looking for job, you are created to create jobs. You are created to bring out the beauty of life, the beauty of human being. And let me use this opportunity to tell the world leaders and entrepreneurs and the rest. We are talking about technology, which of course is good. It's a good thing. But I believe in human capital more than AI, artificial intelligence. I believe so much in human capital because by human, AI is made. So the intelligence of man is higher than AI. So I rather love to invest much more in the talent and the gift of people rather than investing in artificial intelligence. So I promote human capital more than AI. AI is good. Don't misunderstand my point. It's good. Technology is good. The world is going towards it. In fact, I'm encouraging people as well to pick a topic or pick a course around it. Fine, fantastic. But as far as Favour, the Carpenter, is all about, is concerned, I am concerned about human development, brain development. Let's invest into our youth. Let's invest into our women. These are the people that have the ideas to create what has never existed before. I am predicting it, or let me say I've predicted it and I'm predicting it again, that a time is coming that artificial intelligence will fail. A time is coming when technology will fail. A time is coming, something that is higher than technology, something that is higher than all this social media will come again. A time is coming that we're going to experience things that I don't need to talk to you through phone. I don't know, something will just happen in my own little book and little studies and research. I call it electromagnetic mind. Something that we attract and attach and you'll be able to communicate to you without using phone, without using gadgets, without using all this kind of platform we engage ourselves. So we must be able to think beyond now. So, and how do you do that? Invest in people that think towards such kind of future. Future is very, very important. But it might not be applicable to anybody now. Whatever thing that we are engaging and we are seeing, let us do it well. And whatever thing that is coming, let us also prepare ourselves for it. There is always unforeseen contingency in the world. Today, tomorrow, you may wake up and see something different. Government can change policy. Things can change around you. My prayer is that may God help us to escape all manner of kakistocracy.